Hello, good morning, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel Rakesh Kushwaha Tech Guide. In this video, I am going to tell you how to set up and configure wireless controller WLC and access point in packet tracer. So, friends, today our task will be this: these wireless device should be access our HTTP server over Wi-Fi network. First, we will add a switch here. Then we'll add management PC to access and manage WLC. Then we'll add WLC and configure it, provide IP address to WLC. After that, from management PC, we'll access this WLC through this IP, then configure it. After that, we'll add this DHCP server to provide IP address to this wireless device. Configure access point. This is my AP access point. Then we'll install wireless laptop, wireless device, smartphone, wireless tablet here and set up it. So let's start how to configure and set up wireless WLC and access point in packet tracer. So friends, you can see here this is my packet tracer. So I am going to add devices. First of all, I will add switch for centralized connectivity to all device. Then we'll select here WLC 3.3504. This is my WLC server, DHCP and HTTP server. Then PC, this is my management PC. From this PC, I can able to access and manage WLC. After that, I will select access point 3702i. Let me connect this device. WLC to G02. Connect this network access point. This is my PC IP address will be 1.10 and WLC IP address will be 1.1. So let's provide IP address to PC 192.168.1.10. Subnet mask will be /24 and gateway will be 192.168.1.100, which we will provide to WLAN1 switch. Now we have to provide this IP to WLC. Just double click on WLC icon and click here on management. This is IP and subnet mask will be /24. Gateway will be 192.168.1.100. Now friends, we have provided IP address to our WLC and provided IP address to our LAN PC. Now we have to configure this port as an access port on switch and assign a specific VLAN. So let's go to switch. Interface VLAN1 IP address 192.168.1.100 gateway 255.255.255.0. Now set exit. All by default all port in VLAN1, so no need to define. Now let's try to access WLC IP address from our management PC. Click. First of all, check ping connectivity 192.168.1.1. This is my WLC IP. should be able to access for. Okay, now go to browser, web browser, type http 192.168.1.1. Take some time to. So friends, here you can see we have accessed wireless controller management. So here provide the username password to wireless controller, provide password and then confirm password. Now here where you have to set up, provide WLC system name. Just you can give WLC 01, any name you can give. Here you can select your time zone. Provide the WLC management IP address 168.1.1/24, gateway 192.168.1.100. Default VLAN, no need to change here. Just click on next or click on next, and here you have to define your network sales team. Okay, provide your password here, provide SSID password, provide SSID password. Suppose password is admin 82345 okay. Management VLAN, no need to change. Select next here. No need to change, just select next. And here is showing detail which you have changed here. This username admin, system name WC1, India Colombo and TP7 no. So here is a management IP address of this and gateway VLAN default. Here you can see your employee network is network name sales team, WP personal management line, password here. Just click on apply. Now your wireless controller will reboot. Just click on OK. It will take time to reboot. Just ping here. Check when it come. Now WLC rebooted. So again go to browser and type here https://192.168.1.1. Now just click login here. Type your username password with admin. Friends, this is the wireless controller dashboard. Here it's showing version of wireless, recovery version, system name WLC01, uptime. This is the dashboard where you can monitor your WLC wireless controller. No redundancy, temperature showing here, CPU usage 0, access point summary, no access point here. Here it will show access point. Now on the wireless it will show access point. Any access point will connect, it will show here. Controller, it's a controller setting, WLC setting. WLAN is SSID, sales team SSID is showing here. Now go to access point. IP address will be access point 192.168.1.20. Will give manual static IP to access point. This is my access point, so let's give IP address to access point. Just put adapter here to on. Just put adapter here to on. Now access point on here. Just go to config. and interface settings. Setting will have to default gateway manual 168.1.100 default gateway and interface manual IP 192.168.1.100.1.20. Sorry. Now it will show to our controller. Let's see. Now you can see this access point showing in our WLC. Now we will add wireless device to access services. Go to system and add a wireless device. Here we have to add first wireless device, smart device, wireless tablet here. Now we have to configure DHCP server. DHCP server IP 1.200. Just go to DHCP server and configure it. Provide the IP address to the DHCP 192.168.1.200 get 192.168.1.100 and go to services here and HTTP service just do on and DHCP go to DHCP's option on here. You can see pool name wireless device, create pool here wireless device 192.168.1.100 default gateway or pool start from 1 number user 10 only. Just click on add. Here you can add WLC address 192.168.1.1. Just click on add here. Now TCP service should work. First of all, we have to configure wireless device. Just shut down the device from this button and remove LAN adapter and add wireless adapter here, then on device. Now provide here SSID sales team, then select your WPA, provide password here, admin 8. Okay, now select static to DHCP. It should get IP from DHCP server. Now you can see it's connected here. Let's check again IP address. IP address assigned by DHCP server you can see here. Now go to another wireless device. Go to wireless. Click on type the SSID here. Self team. Password. Now select here DHCP. It should get IP from DHCP server. Now you can see IP address provided by DHCP server. Go to another wireless device. Type SSID name here. Select WPA2. Provide password. Select here static to DHCP. IP now IP assigned by DHCP frequency 1.4. So friend, this is my wireless network and is connected with our WLC. Now it's already connected with my access point. Now go to WLC and check. Now you can see this access point showing in our WLC. Let's try to connect our HTTP server from wireless PC 192.168.1.200. Now we are able to access from wireless PC. Let's copy and check from a smartphone. from tablet